This demo will show how Apstra allows you to swap a device quickly and reliably, with minimal user impact. First, let's see the list of devices available under Manage Devices. There are devices ready to be used but are not active yet. In Apstra, we use our amazing TPT server to provision the machines. Simply put the correct code on it and get it ready to go for you. Let's go to Blueprint. Click on the DC you want to manage. And then go to Devices. Click on Assign System IDs. Click on the Change icon, and then drain the device. Next, this change will be reflected in the Uncommitted tab that just turned yellow, waiting for you to review before pushing it to the production environment. Here, I am going to write a note on what I just did. Drain Spine 1. And once the change has been committed and pushed live, the tab will turn green. Now we wait for the network to reconverge. It'll take just a second. Go back to Staged. Click on the Devices icon in yellow. Click on Change System IDs Assignments. Then click Undeploy. Hit it again. And from the drop-down list, you would select a new device as replacement. Of course, you have to have somebody to remove the physical device and swap the cables.